Welcome back. In this video I'm building Revell's 1/48 scale SBD Dauntless in about 72 hours. I was on a tight timeline to get this model done for a display, so I decided it'd be a fun challenge to try to build a 48 scale plane in under 72 hours. Trying to save time right out of the gate, I used Badger Stynylrez primer through their Patriot 105 airbrush, which always gives me problems, and sure enough, this time was no different. I had a lot of clogging issues, as you'll see. I had to pull back on the trigger. I don't know why I keep trying to use this stuff, it never works for me. Next, I sprayed Tamiya's Cockpit green thin with isopropyl alcohol. Tamiya's buff was used for the pilot and gunner's uniform. Water-based acrylics were used for brush painting so they'd dry quicker. Finally, Tamiya dark brown panel liner was used to bring out the details. The fit on this kit is about what you'd expect from a 1960s tooling. Due to my tight timeline, I didn't bother cleaning up any of the seams. I just tried to get everything aligned as best I could as I glued it together. I don't usually build wheels-up airplanes. Do you think I should build more? Let me know in a comment down below, and don't forget to click the subscribe button while you're down there. I didn't get any clear footage of it, but as you'll see in a moment, in order to get the wing roots to not have gaps, you need to use tape to pull the wings up as the glue dries. I wanted to hang the model in a dive with the dive brakes open, so I painted the insides of them with red for Mr. Color. Next, I primed everything with Mr. Surfacer 1500 Black thinned with Mr. Rapid Thinner. Normally I use Mr. Leveling Thinner, but this time I used Mr. Rapid Thinner because I wanted to save time. I was already on my second day into 3 of this project and I was trying to move quickly. The bombs were quickly sprayed with leftover olive drab I had from my previous Sherman tank project. This plane flew from the USS Wasp at the Battle of Guadalcanal and calls for a 2-tone gray scheme. I used Tamiya's Sky Gray on the bottom and Mr. Color's Neutral Gray on the top. In hindsight, I wish I'd gone with a little bit darker color on the top side of the plane, but I can live with it. Decals are how I finished off the second day of this project, and I just put on the basic markings. I didn't worry about too much of the stenciling and things like that. I was trying to keep it simple and move as quick as I could. Final detail painting was done with both acrylic and enamel paints. I sprayed the model with Mr. Color GX114 thinned with Mr. Leveling Thinner to seal everything in and finish it up. No weathering on this model since it's just for a very simple display and I was on a tight timeline like I said. I gotta be honest, the gimmick of being able to drop the center bomb is way more fun than I thought it would be, and I successfully bombed quite a few household objects before I took this to the display. Well, here it is. After 72 hours, I did manage to complete this model. I got it up on the display a few days later, and it looks great with all the other models from my club. I hope you enjoyed this video and will consider subscribing. Make sure to leave your feedback down in the comments below. I want to know how I can improve both my modeling and my videos, so please let me know what you think. See you again next time.